All right, for these last three, I'll read the problem. I'll give you a few moments to answer it. You'll pause the video after I read it, and then we'll go over the answers. All right, so number 5 says, after drinking a can of cola, the amount of caffeine in milligrams in a person's body X hours after drinking it is given. Find an exponential function that models the amount of caffeine in the body after X hours. So here's our information. We need to get our function here. Until you have your answer, push pause on the video. So go ahead and push pause now. All right, let's see what we got. So stat, edit, type in your information, then go back to stat, calc, go down to 0, exponential regression, and here's what I got. 35.557, blah, blah, blah. And the B is 0.89057, blah, blah, blah. But these are rounded, so the closest one to those rounded answers is J. All right, this one says using graphing calculator to find the best equation for an exponential that best fits the scatter plot below. This one, be careful because you're going to have to find your x's and y's each time. All right. I'm going to pause the video here. Don't push play until you've answered it, okay? Pause the video now. Okay, so on number 6, since all my values were points, the first thing I did is I got my x's and y's and got it set up, put in my table. Like this point is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, and so on. I got all my x's and y's. You're going to go into stat, edit, and you're going to type it in just like I did over here. Go back to stat, calculate, exponential regression, and here it is, 4.65381, yada yada, 0.88, yada yada. B is the best estimate. Okay, number 7. Population of the United States in millions of people is shown in this table below. Once again, we have years. Be careful. Hope you remember what to do there with those years. Use a graphing calculator to find the exponential function that best fits the data, where x is number of years and y is number of millions of people. So, solve this, and then when you get your answer, push play, okay? Push pause now. All right, so first thing we have to do is change all the years. First year is going to be at 0, and then every year after that. So 10 years, so that's 10. 20 years from 1970, that's 20, and so on. Then go to stat, edit, type those in. Go back to stat, calculate 0, exponential regression, and we get 204.37, yada yada. So I'm looking at F mainly, and 1.01, it is F. All right, I hope these notes were helpful. Let's go over what you need to do on your assignment. So, on your assignment, it's got tables, and it says for each one there's an A and a B. Use the graph calculator to find the exponential function, and then find the value when the x value changes to a certain amount. So you will need to find the function first, and then plug in this for x to get those values. Make sure to read both make sure to do both the A parts and the B parts. There is a back as well. And then what you can do is estimate to the hundredths place on all those equations. That will also give us all the exact same answers. Which, if the decimal's here, this is the tenths, this is the hundredths place, this is the thousandths. So You're going to estimate 2 decimal places. Remember, you're looking at this number. It'll tell you if you need to round up or stay the same. So on all of your equations, make sure you round to the hundredths place. And then for your final answers on your B's, round to the hundredths place as well. All right, good luck on your assignment.